Most pet owners would do anything for their furry friends, and when they get sick, a trip to the vet isn't cheap.
Eyewitness News reporter Dan Carabeo is here to tell us more about pet insurance. It's a perk that some companies are now offering to their employees. That sounds good to me, Jan.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of companies are doing so now. The North American Pet Health Insurance Association reports nearly half of Fortune 500 companies offer the perks to employees. Pet insurance is a booming business. By 2019, the industry is expected to surpass $1 billion, but on a personal level, it can be a gamble if you aren't covered by your employer. Not everyone can afford it.
Ready to go.
Rita Oral brings her Boston Terrier Ruby to radiation treatment 3 times a week.
Hi.
12-year-old Ruby was diagnosed with a tumor near her tail in August. Fortunately, Rita invested in pet insurance 8 years ago.
It is a relief, and it's an investment and a bit of a gamble, as insurance usually is.
Insurance for dogs, cats, and other pets is growing in popularity. Nearly 2 million pets were insured in 2016. That's up 15% from the prior year. But that's still just a fraction of the 144 million pets in America. Some Fortune 500 companies are now offering employees pet insurance as a work perk.
From their employees' point of view, the pets have really become part of the family. Literally, over the last few years, pets have moved from the backyard into the bedroom.
If you have to buy a plan on your own, it can cost more than $40 a month. They usually only cover accidents and illnesses, not wellness visits and vaccines.
I can understand that a lot of people can't afford that.
Unfortunately not.
Pet cure oncologist Dr. Van Bevan says insurance is vital when an animal is hit with a serious disease like cancer.
It starts off about $4,000 and ranges up to about $9,000.
Wow.
Very difficult.
Erica DiCaterina wishes she had protection. Her dog Sophie was recently diagnosed with cancer in her leg.
So altogether, it's been about $11,000.
Insurance would have covered 90% of Sophie's medical bills, an option Erica plans to buy for future pets. Now, if you are interested in pet insurance, you have to do your homework. Again, it can become expensive, and many plans don't even cover routine checkups. And apparently, Jim, other issues as well.
Check the fine print. A lot of them have exclusions based on the breed of the animal. So they may say this dog's not covered because that's, something that commonly occurs in a specific breed. So always read the fine print, whether it's for dog and cat insurance or people insurance. Thank you, Jen. Great report. Appreciate it.